What's going on YouTube? I do have this phone right here. Check it out. Look at all the colors on this phone. This is the Samsung Galaxy A70. Triple camera. Headphone jack. Check. Boom. USB Type-C. Microphone, bottom firing speaker. This is a dual SIM, so it takes two SIMs and a micro SD card. 128 gigs. 6 gigs of RAM. 6.7-inch display. Jesus, it's a big phone. Fingerprint reader works good. It also has face unlock. Has a Bixby. This is running the Android version Pie. So shout out to Jay Wills, man. He put me on to the A70 and the A70 Suite. Let me go ahead and see if I can show you guys real quick. Go in the settings. This thing does get software information. You can see the version there. Samsung One UI version 1.1, Android 9. And this thing is pretty fast and fluid. It got the triple camera setup on the back. The photos, so far I've only had the phone for a couple hours, but the photos look real good. Front facing camera is real nice. Let me see if I'll show you guys real quick a photo I took. It's a nice big phone, man. It's pretty light, very light. Plastic back, but it feels good. It's like a blue color. Depending on what angle I hold it in, it changes colors, all kinds of colors. Look at that. Green, purple, all kinds of colors. Pretty nice phone. Comes with a case. I do have a tempered glass screen protector on here already. And not only that, but I'm on, let me see, LTE. So I'm on T-Mobile. I'll show you T-Mobile right there. Boom. LTE. Works great with LTE. Not an issue. I got a 42%. Took it out of the box. I believe it had about 50%. Downloaded and installed all my apps, and I'm at 42. Let me see. Check out all the apps I got in here. The phone's pretty fluid. It does have Bixby. Let me see. You can see Bixby right there. Pretty nice phone. Very fluid. It is running Android. What is it? 9.0. Let me show you the version real quick. Software information. Okay. One UI version. Samsung One UI 1.1, Android version 9. So, yeah, the phone's pretty nice. Pretty fast and fluid. Like I said, I've only had it for a couple hours, but I'm really enjoying it. The cameras are real nice. Let me see if I can show you some photos that I took today. Come on. Oh, this is the front-facing camera. Photos are real nice, man. Look at that. The display is beast mode on here too. The display is real nice. I like the display. I mean, the screen goes all the way to the edge. It's a real nice phone. It's about the same size as my OnePlus 7 Pro, which I'm using to record this video. But I like that blue color right there. Blue. It just changes all different types of colors. Look at that. You can see my OnePlus 7 Pro there, but yeah, man, this thing is beast. I like it. So far, couple hours in, man. First impressions, it's very light. The screen is beautiful, 1080p. The front-facing cameras, I'm gonna say it's amazing. For the price point of this phone, it's pretty good. I got it for $300, and you got the 3 cameras on the back, standard, I believe, wide and telephoto. We'll jump into that real quick. Just a quick first impressions. Locations, we'll cancel that. You can see here that's standard, and then this is wide. Bam, jeez. I'll do that again. Look how close this chair is. And the wide angle. Very nice. Front facing camera is legit, man. You can see me there. It is a legit camera, man. I like the front. Now, video quality, I haven't tested it out yet, but it looks promising. It looks promising. We got all different kinds of modes in here. We got the video mode, so I don't think we can shoot wide angle on the video mode. I mean, 19:6. Bixby vision. I took a picture of some food. Hold on, let me show you what I took a picture of. Let me see if I can show you. I took a picture of this. It kind of recognizes what it's shooting, and that is some pancakes, strawberry pancakes. But yeah, the phone is nice, man. Legit phone. First impressions, like I said, it's pretty light. I love the colors, the back on it. Cameras seem promising. So stay tuned for some more videos on this Samsung Galaxy A70. This thing's a beast. I don't have the specs offhand, but shout out to Jay Wills. And yeah, I'll catch you guys on another one, man. This thing is, look at that. Look at them colors. We out.